Hello and welcome back to the Techery. Today we're going to be installing Optifine for Minecraft. In this tutorial you will need a web browser of your choice and the Minecraft launcher. So to get started you need to head over to your web browser of choice and open it. Head up to the top and paste the first link in the description into the URL bar and hit enter. And here you should see the latest version of Optifine. If you want to download a different version of Optifine, press show all versions and there you have them. You can also download pre-release versions by clicking the preview versions button. Today we're going to be downloading 1.19, so hit download. Don't click anything on this screen and wait the 4 seconds up here for the skip button. Now hit skip, agree to the cookies and press download. Press save and your download will begin. Now that's finished, you want to close out of your web browser and find that file, which for me was located in the downloads folder. So now you see your file, drag it to your desktop. Now you have your file. You want to now double click on the file and this window should open. You can select your working directory, which for me is going to be appdataroaming.minecraft, and hit install. Now you should receive this message. If you don't, then re-download it and try again. If you have any questions you can comment down below and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. If you see this message though, press OK. That window will close out. You don't need this anymore, so you can put it in your recycle bin. And now if you open the Minecraft launcher, you should be presented with the new installation, as you can see down here. If you do not see this down here and it is not in this list, you want to head over to installations, new installation, name it whatever you want. I will name it 1.19 Optifine. You can pick an icon as well while you're here. And then you want to go to version. Here you should find release 1.19 Optifine or whatever version you downloaded in this list. You can just click that, change any other settings that you normally have changed and hit create. You should now see that in your list. Here for me, you can now select that and hit play. Agree to the risks and hit play. Now Optifine will start to download and run. Now you can see Minecraft Optifine has loaded, as you can tell by the modded in brackets in the bottom left. So that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed or you found this useful, please consider subscribing. Please like the video and comment down below if you wish. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.